Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make spicy chicken goujons. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this recipe based on 2 chicken breast fillets. So what we need to do is slice this into very thin strips. Just like that. You almost want them to be the size of potato chips. So now we'll season this with 1 teaspoon of ground chilli, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and we'll top this up with half a cup of buttermilk. Now if you don't have buttermilk, you can just use normal milk. And all we'll do now is just give this a quick mix and combine it well. So once you've got it well combined guys, cover it with some cling wrap. We're going to place this straight into the fridge. Try and put it for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight for best results. Alright, so what I've done now is preheated our deep fry to 180 degrees Celsius. And now we can go ahead and finish these off. So what I'm going to do is just give these a quick mix now that they're out of the fridge, just to make sure they're still well coated. Now what we're going to do is get each piece and place it straight into our breadcrumbs here. So here I've got 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Now you don't have to use panko, but they do give a very crunchy result. If you can't find it or you don't have it, just use normal breadcrumbs. Just give that a good coating like that. And just set it onto a tray, or I've just got some baking paper here. Now just go ahead and do that with all your chicken. Alright, so let's go ahead and start to fry these. So guys, nothing too complex about this, but I'm going to put the baskets in first, just so we drop the chicken into the oil. That way it won't stick to the baskets. Now very carefully place them in. After a couple of seconds, just give your baskets a shake, just to make sure nothing's sticking to anything. Now we're looking for a total cooking time of around 2 to 3 minutes. We want a nice golden brown finish to this. Alright, so we're at the 3-minute mark now. As you can see, our chicken's starting to float up. Basically that indicates it's ready. So we'll go ahead and take the baskets out. And you can just tell how nice and crispy they look already. So guys, let them rest. If you're cooking more, go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I've just put into a bowl lined with some paper towel just to drain the excess oil. So now we'll just season it with a pinch of salt and a dusting of paprika. And just give that a quick toss in there. And let's serve this. Alright, and there we have it. I've just served it up with some simple tomato ketchup. I hope you like that guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.